back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up an OpenVPN server and connect it using the OpenVPN Connect app. If you're looking for a fast, secure, and private way to browse the internet, this step-by-step tutorial is perfect for you. By the end of this video, you'll be able to create your own OpenVPN server and connect to it with ease. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more VPN and privacy tutorials. Let's get started. First, we need to create an OpenVPN configuration file. This file contains all the necessary details required for your VPN connection. Open your browser and in the search bar, type UDP custom, then press enter. From the results, click on the official UDP custom website. Make sure you're on the right one before continuing. Once the homepage loads, look at the top right corner for the 3 small horizontal lines. That's the menu icon. Tap it to open a list of options, then select SSH servers. From the submenu, choose OpenVPN. Here you'll see several server locations from different countries. Choose the one that best suits you, then click on it. Your OpenVPN server will now be created in just a few seconds. You'll receive a username and password. Copy these and save them somewhere safe. Then, click on Download Config to download your configuration file. The file will be downloaded as a zip archive. Open your file manager, navigate to your Downloads folder, and extract the zip file. Inside, you'll find your OpenVPN configuration files. Now, let's move to the OpenVPN Connect app. Go to the Google Play Store, search for OpenVPN Connect, and install it if you haven't already. Once the installation is complete, open the app. On the home screen, you'll see 2 options, URL and Upload File. Tap on Upload File, then click the Browse button. Navigate to your Downloads folder, locate the extracted OpenVPN config file, and select it. The app will import the file automatically. Once imported, it will prompt you to enter your username and password. Paste the credentials you saved earlier. After that, tap Connect. Within a few seconds, your OpenVPN connection will be successfully established. You'll now have a secure, fast, and private internet connection, ensuring your data is encrypted and your browsing activity remains protected. And that's it. You've just learned how to set up an OpenVPN server and connect it using the OpenVPN Connect app. I hope this video helped you secure your connection easily. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more tech guides and VPN tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.